Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. As always, today, different kind of video. So we're going to be taking a look at a woman who has completely lost her fucking mind, okay? And I don't always make these kinds of videos, but for this one, I felt like I really needed to make it. So let's dive right into it. So as you can see here, we're on Facebook Marketplace and we're browsing the car section of the web page. And I came across this car, okay? This blue car, 2003 Mazda Protege. It's just a regular Mazda Protege. For those of you that don't know, this is not a Mazda Speed variant of the car. So anyways, price tag of $20,000 for this Mazda Protege. So this is a little bit crazy because it's not a Mazda Speed and it's nothing rare. But what pissed me off the most was the description. What pissed me off the most was the description of this car. So we're gonna go ahead and take a read and see what she has to say. Okay, so 2003 Mazda Protege, base model, blue color, 20 grand. So the wheels, as you can see right here, are all scratched, they're all curb rashed, they're in terrible shape. So let's go ahead and see what she has to say about this car. Alright, this is absolutely ridiculous. This was like my highlight of the day here. Let's go and take a read.
Note: this post is for collectors of Mazdas and other vehicles in its category. The price is correct.
Did you hear that, guys? The price is correct. This isn't a $2,000 car like some of you guys may think. This car is $20,000. The price is correct. If she says it, it must be true, right? Anyways, this is my 2003 Mazda Protege car. Mazda Protege 5, the best car I have ever owned. The mileage is 200,000 kilometers. Don't let that scare you guys. Don't let that scare you. If it's properly looked after, it will easily go another 200K. The 2003 Mazda Protege 5 with a manual transmission and cloth seats is currently valued at $17,000 US. Okay, lady, I don't know, first of all, I don't know where the fuck you're getting that price, but this car is definitely not worth 17 grand. Maybe if it was like showroom condition, 5,000 miles, maybe then it will actually be worth it, but not this thing. I mean, take a look at the shape it's in. Like, seriously, this thing is a fucking bucket, dude. Goes on to say, I am asking 20,000 plus PST, cash or e-transfer only. Now she basically says, what's right with it? Aftermarket stainless steel exhaust system, $4,000. Okay, I don't know where the hell she's getting this price from. $4,000 for an exhaust for a Protege? I don't know about that. That seems a little off to me. Anyways, let's continue. Aftermarket gas and brake pedal, more horsepower, aftermarket stereo system, aftermarket alarm. This is a hair trigger alarm. Oh my goodness, I am just dying inside just looking at this ad here. I am dying. All leather seats, airbags, both sides. Kind of standard in all cars, but okay. Tinted windows plus tinted hatchback window. High-end floor mats, unusually large gas tank, burns no oil, headlight covers professionally done in 2017 to remove fogginess. Oh yeah, like you didn't just take some fucking toothpaste and rub it all over. Sure, that's believable. Brand new this, brand new that, no rust, powerful engine. Wow, really? All of those 100 horses, yeah, that's so powerful, Jesus. No commuting or major highway driving. This just makes me laugh. I just can't even. I'm already dead, okay? Like, anyways, now let's go ahead and see what's wrong with it. Ordinary tires. I'm told that to get the most out of this car, it should have higher end tires. Okay, first of all, lady, this is a grocery getter hatchback with 100 horsepower. I think the tires that are on there will do just fine. Trust me, I think they will do just fine. The rims need to be redone. Yeah, no shit, I can see how shit they look. The warning lights on the dashboard are always on. Gee, I'd love to pay 20 grand for an old ass 20-year-old car like this and have all the warning lights on. That's a bonus, guys. That's just the gift that keeps on giving. A couple mechanics told me they could fix this if I wanted to pay 3 or 4 hours of work. I never bothered. Yeah, that's because you don't fucking take care of the damn thing. The carpet under the driver's seat is worn. There are a few scratches here and there, a few meth heads a couple years ago attacked the driver's side mirror. A man who saw it happen came with a roll of duct tape and expertly taped the whole thing up. Oh yeah, just some meth heads attacked the driver's side mirror and this guy just magically happens to be walking around with a roll of duct tape. What are the chances? Now let's go ahead and see the story of the car before I show you guys all the pictures associated with it. So, in 2003, this car was purchased by a teenager specifically for road racing. He spent a lot of money on it. Okay, let's stop right there. To me, this just looks like an ordinary Mazda Protege 5. Let's go ahead and just scroll through the pictures real quick. Here's the first one. Stock rims. Okay, exhaust system, that's probably like 600 bucks. That's all I see for now. Paint is peeling, it's all shit. Fog lights are stock, those are $10 pedals. $30 Canadian Tire crappy mats. Why the hell is there duct tape on the seats? Oh, there we go, that's probably why it's fast. It's the duct tape on the seats. Auto tragic transmission, of course. Oh wow, we got a strut bar? Holy fucking shit. Oh, that's why it's fast. There we go, we got a strut bar. Pretty sure that's off the Mazda Speed Protege, but I can't really tell at this point. Ordinary hatch. Ordinary seats. Once again, based on this engine bay picture, it looks to me completely stock. Oh yeah, he spent a lot of money on this thing. Had the rubber panels covering the engine. Mechanic explained to me what they were in English, blah, blah, blah. They looked like a Christmas tree light. Okay, this lady's making no sense. They made the car almost frighteningly fast. You could lightly put your foot on the gas pedal and the car would just take off, guys, like a rocket. At some point, the owner was caught racing while he still had his new driver's license in a minor accident. His parents took the car away from him. They sold the car to a family friend who was a mechanic. He lived and worked in so-and-so city. It was one of the several cars he drove, blah, blah, blah. Put his car up for sale in 2008. After 6 months after I bought it, the car suddenly shut down. The mechanic said the problem was the panels on the engine. That makes absolutely no sense. What are panels of the engine? I don't understand what you're saying, lady. He recommended that I just remove them altogether. So blah blah, he fixed it. That's why the dashboard lights won't go off, blah blah blah. Value and collector status. Okay, here's the juicy stuff, guys, okay? I've showed you guys all the pictures of this racer, and well, overvalued car rather. And okay, so let's see what she has to say about the collector status here. In 2018, I was offered $18,000 for this car. Highly doubt it. I asked 2 experts about it, the editor of Western Driver magazine and a car expert / collector, and a show judge. Okay, honestly, this woman has the $1 million mouthpiece. I would be so shocked if she sold this piece of shit to somebody. But, you know, there's a sucker born every minute. What can I say? Anyways, they both said the same thing. When this car has collector status next year and is brought into perfect condition, it will be worth 25 to 30 grand. Wow. Yeah, it'll probably take 25 to 30 grand to bring this car into showroom perfect condition. Like seriously, this car is bone stock. What the hell is she thinking? It's a $2,000 car. The Protege 5 remains the most relevant. My English is very goodly today, I apologize. First of all, despite a 2,800 pound curb weight, my car's reactions to steering inputs are quicker than any compact hatch I've driven since buying it, through the low effort steering. I don't even know what to say. This chick has lost her mind. This chick has lost her goddamn mind. By lifting off the Protege 5's throttle as you enter a turn, you can coax the rear end out a bit. But in general, the car's chassis is extremely stable, testing out the car's handling early in snow-covered parking lot, even without stability control. Wow, got a badass over here. All right. This car feels so alive and so much fun, even in daily driving. I've reviewed over the past decade. I can't even, like, this is giving me cancer reading this. Almost ridiculously large windows, blah, 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 blah. Honestly, I don't even want to read all this shit. Like, just looking at these photos and just seeing that price tag, I don't know what the hell she's thinking. I don't know what the hell she's smoking. I don't know what the hell she's on, but if you guys know, I would like to know, because I want to get just as fucking high, okay? Beyond the handling and driving position, back in 2003, I was smitten in the Protege 5 styling. Oh my god, this car is like no other. A tasteful body kit lends just the right amount of aggressiveness to the car. Yeah, all that aggressiveness, all that 120 horsepower of aggressiveness. Loving it. Love this car, guys. Love this car. So, there you guys have it. This is the crazy car post of the day that I stumbled across. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you guys think about this price tag. Let me know what you guys think about this beat up car. If you think it's worth it, put a comment down below and we'll talk about it. I will answer all comments. But as this car sits, I mean, okay, you guys already seen this car. Let's go back to Facebook Marketplace. Let's type in 2003 Mazda Protege and see what we get, okay? Here's a 2003 Mazda Protege, same exact thing, right? It has only 142,000 clicks on it, and the body and the wheels look in much better shape than hers, and guess what? It's selling for only $5,000. That must be, like, the most steal I've ever seen. Like, seriously, if this is a $20,000 car, why doesn't everyone just sell it for that much? I mean, don't get me wrong, like, here's one for $1,000. Look at that, same fucking thing, just a different color, right? Same thing. A little bit higher mileage, but I mean, what do you expect for the year? 2003, literally the exact same engine, exact same intake, exact same strut bar. I literally see no difference, and it's going for $1,000 with like just slightly less kilometers on it. So let me know what you guys think. End of the day, I know and I'm fully aware that anybody can post their cars for as much as money as they want, but this is just downright ridiculous. So if you guys had a good laugh, let me know in the comments, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.